Good morning, guys. Last day here in Kyoto, Japan. And before we go out, I will show you my room where I stayed. And our destination today is we are going to check a temple that is it's all gold outside. I don't know if we're going inside, but it costs around 500 yen for $5. I don't know. After that, we are going to travel back to Tokyo. So the bad thing is this hotel didn't have good breakfast. It didn't have cheese. It didn't have that. It didn't have cucumber that I like. They have only two bread, croissant, fish in the morning, chicken in the morning, and we went down 7 o'clock in the morning. Anyways, I ate something, but I didn't show you the video, but I will show you the room now. So, where I sleep, it was there. We have two beds, so you can sleep four people here if you want. It cost around, how much did it cost per night? I think it cost 550 euro per night. So it was cheap, not so expensive. But this is the view from our hotel. You can see it's raining. People are going to school, if you see on the bridge. So you have one TV, only Japanese inside, one fridge, I have one water inside, one safe, and here you have two cups to warm tea if you want, or noodles, whatever you want. This is for the hair. So, and the toilet is this one. This. The toilet, shower, everything. It's big bathroom, not small. Anyways, I will pack my last stuff that I have. So we are heading out to the temple. It's around 30 minutes with the bus. And all the buses in Kyoto cost around 213 yen, wherever you want to travel with the bus. With taxes, it's more expensive. It's 1.2 kilometers and it costs 460 yen. So after 1.2 kilometers, you have to pay extra 460. Anyways, that's all from the hotel, and see you soon. Okay, guys, we just find a river. The water is coming from the mountains, and we are soon arriving on the temple. Around 20 minutes walking. The funny is, we were about to arrive to the temple and Andreas forget his umbrella like 50 minutes away. Look at him, he's laughing. So now we have to walk all the way back. But what can we do? We have small kids. And we have to go all the way back. Anyways, that's all for now. Okay guys, we just arrived. So
Golden Temple.
we are going to the Golden Temple. Let's see what's happened here. Too hot today. Okay guys, this is the Golden Temple. It costs around 500 yen to come inside, and we didn't have any money to come, so we spent all the money to come inside, so we have to take out some more to travel. So guys, it's not something special here, just the temple, it's gold and some garden, nothing more. We cannot go anywhere. So it's time to leave, and this is our tickets. So that's all. If I see something new, I will show you. Πολύ λεφτά να πετάς,
Ναι. Fancy lite?
Mẹ ơi. Ồ.
Wow. Ναι, πρέπει να πάμε. Yeah, before the exit.
Κάτι σαν το λέω.
Μπροστά.
Έχει ζέστη ρε που.
Πάμε. Okay guys, we took a bus to the train station, but the bus was out of service, so we have to pick up another bus now. And we were at the place, but now we have to go back to take the bus from there again.
Είδες πως είχα ακόμα στην κάρτα.
4. Okay guys, we just arrived to the Kyoto station. We are going to find for the ticket for the bullet train for Tokyo. Πάμε όλοι μαζί από εδώ, Αντρέα. She said run, run, run. Είναι από εκεί. Okay guys, we're going to miss the train for 3 minutes. Oh, it didn't come yet. It's okay. Oh, it's a 12:45 and it was 12:37. Anyways, we are here. Okay, we find no reservation, so we are just waiting for the train. Andrea, και εδώ μπορείς να κάτσεις. Α, εδώ. Okay. Anyways, we are so lucky. Very, very lucky. Everything came smooth from the bus till here. So, see you soon. It's the same train that we will take to Tokyo. Oh, so lucky for today. Anyways. Okay guys, we just finally made to Tokyo. We just buy our ticket to Narita airport. So we are traveling at 11 o'clock at the night. So now we are going to find some coffee to drink before we leave. Okay guys, anyway, I will close the video here. We don't do nothing, so we're just waiting for the bus to come to go back to the airport. So see you on the next one. Bye bye Japan, thank you for everything and ciao.